Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the sky Sprunki from Incredibox. So let's get started. To draw this cute Sprunki, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a really big circle. There. So now that I have one big circle in, I'm going to kind of find the center area and then go right across about this wide and draw another circle. So since I'm drawing pretty big, I just like to give myself points so that I am approximately the same size on the other eye. It just helps me draw a little bit easier. Okay, there. So now that we have two big circles in, I'm going to find the center and draw a straight line across. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line across. And same thing on the other eye. There. And then from there, we're going to come inside right here and start with a half circle. So I'm just going to follow the bottom curve that I've created and go right across. And then just shape this part all in. And same thing over here. There. So now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come down right in the center area about this low and draw a straight line across for the mouth. Just a line right there in the center. And then from there, let's go ahead and we need to draw a circle for the head. So just to make it a little bit easier, I'm just going to find the center again and come out a little bit. So let's say about this much. And same thing on the other side. And then using that, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a big circle. A big curve for the top. So I just want to go nice and round. So it's just about this high. And this is the center area. I'm just going to skip a little bit of space. Just imagine I'm drawing through and then about right here. I'm going to go ahead and bring down the curve. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish drawing this big half curve. Because in the center right here, we need to draw a little strand of hair that's sticking out. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve coming up and in. And then whatever space you have left, just fill it in. There. Okay, so then to draw the bottom curve, same thing. So just want to try my best here to create this circular head. Of course, you can always use something round to as a template, but I just feel it looks a lot better if it's not a perfect circle. So say about right here, so that we know it was hand drawn, right? Okay, there. So a wobbly head, but I think it's pretty close. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and make it look like a mouse. So right on the sides right here, we need to draw these ears. So about right here, I'm gonna go ahead and draw this big curve coming all the way, oops, down to about right here. And then I'll just come inside and draw another curve. So same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag this point across so that I'm approximately the same area on the other side. So once again, same thing, just this big ear. Oh gosh, I keep going too high. And in. So approximate. So this one looks like it's a little bit too thin compared to that other one. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust it. And do a lot of erasing. Okay, so once again, same thing. So as you can see, I always make a lot of mistakes too, right? Okay, there, and it's all okay because you can just fix it. Okay, there. So now that we have that, now to draw a curve, almost forgot, above each eye, I'm just going to draw a small curve towards the side area, kind of sloping down. And then the head, the neck. So let's say about right here and here. We're going to go ahead and just draw an angle line. Sometimes I feel like the simpler a drawing is, the harder it is to draw. So about right there, and then go ahead and connect it with a straight line at the bottom. And last but not least, I'll just add a little heart right here, like I do with all the Sprunkis I've drawn, to make this my Draw So Cute Sprunki from Incredibox. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.